Everybody, this video is going to go over the big two stretches that we use in the office for neck, shoulder pain, headaches, and jaw pain. So we're going to do this in two different ways. I'm going to actually go through it on each side for you, but I'm going to start from the side first just to give you an idea where there's a starting spot. We're going to be stretching the neck and shoulders, and what we don't want is we don't want to start with the head out in front, which is a fairly common posture for most of us. So before you even get going on the stretches, I want you to do two things. You're going to slightly tip your head back, then you'll pull your chin in until it's right over your shoulders, and that'll actually be your starting point. So from there, you'll take an arm, you'll put it behind you on the small of your back, and then you're going to lean straight over to the side for the count of 10 seconds. And then after that 10 seconds, you'll slowly rotate. You'll start looking over your shoulder just as far as you can, so your head's bending down and behind you, almost like you're looking to see if somebody's sneaking up behind you. You'll hold that for 10 seconds. And still with your head hanging over, you're going to slowly turn and look up towards the ceiling. When you do this, you'll feel it some in the shoulder blade, but oftentimes at the base of the skull. And you'll look up just as far as you can, and you'll hold that for 10 seconds. Slowly release that. You'll come back to the center. You'll reset that arm on the other side. Remember, we're going to tip and tuck the chin in just a little bit. Then you're going to slowly lean straight over. You'll do that for 10 seconds. Slowly turn and look over your shoulder behind you with your head still leaning. You'll do that for 10 seconds. And then still with your head leaning over, you're going to slowly turn and look up towards the ceiling, and you'll hold that for about 10 seconds. And then you'll release out of it. A couple things on these stretches. They're really easy to do in the shower with the hot water running on it. That's a great time to do that. It really helps to lengthen that. If you find a side or a position that's tighter or feels more restricted, get into that position sooner and spend more of your time there. You can oftentimes take deep breaths through that. Generally, these stretches should feel the same or better afterwards. If for some reason it seems to aggravate your condition, then just go ahead and stop until you call and get a hold of us. All right, good luck with those. Let me know if you have any questions.